Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You're so fat you can't even move your lower body. Okay, you done? You done? I'm sorry. I figure out how to beat this cat. We just gotta go. We gotta dodge the paws, go for the body, and dodge the mouth too. But you will need your second hand. He will easily beat you. Okay, you stop? Okay, okay, you did it. You did it. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Good boy. Come, hey, 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 hey. Why won't let me pet you? Hey, hey. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him be fat. Look at him be fat. Okay, he stopped. Oh, he did. Ow! Ow, you got me. You got me. You got me. Is that good enough? Good enough? Ow! Ow, you got me again. Biting me. Biting me. Ow. Ah! This got me like a freaking monkey. A monkey would. I was on YouTube because I was just about to make a video called Best with the Cat. So I guess this is the video. She's just attacking randomly. Like, I was like, are you gonna be good, Rashford? You gonna get up? I saw ears fly back and I knew that wasn't good. I guess she stopped. I guess she stopped. You won't let go of my hand. I'm not trying to make him mad. Ow, yeah. We had to declaw him or I would have scars everywhere. Everywhere that he's touched me. He used to scratch me everywhere. Alright, okay, you stop. You stop. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? No. No. Ah! Ah! Fat cat. Ah! Ah, he got me real good that time. There you go, he's wagging that tail. You happy? You happy? Happy? Pet him. You pet him. You go for pet. I pet him. Oh, he's gone. This video is over.